Okay, the next question is from the sample final. We want to solve this quadratic equation, solve x squared plus 4x minus 2 equal to 0 using the quadratic formula. Now in general, if I have ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and x would be equal to minus b plus and minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Please everybody make a note of this. You need to know this for the final exam. Now this also would be very handy when you have a second order equation, perhaps that you don't know how to factor it. If it's too hard to factor, you can always use this formula to solve for x. So in this case, let's identify which is which. What is a in this case? Okay, this question is for everyone. What is a? Can we type your answer? A is a coefficient of x squared, so it's equal to 1. Katie, you're correct. Sandra, a is a coefficient, a is a number. What is b? You want to tell me what b is? Very good. B is coefficient of x, which is 4. And what is c in this case? C would be the constant, and that is equal to, Sandra, not 2, negative 2. Very good. Alright, so that's all we have to do is just substitute in this formula these values. We have minus b, so that would be minus 4 plus and minus square root of, now b squared, we have minus 4 squared minus 4a is 1, c is negative 2 divided by 2a, a is 1. So x is equal to minus 4 plus and minus square root of, minus 4 squared would be 16 plus 16. When you multiply minus 4 times 1 times minus 2, what do we get? Anyone? Plus 8, very good. Divided by 2. So here we have minus 4 plus and minus square root of what? What do we have here? We have 16 plus 8, that gives you 24. Now, can I reduce 24? What is square root of 24? Okay, it's not a whole number, right? So if I break 24 into its prime number, half of that would be 12, half of that would be 6, half of that would be 3, third of that would be 1. So 24 would be the same as 2 squared times 2 times 3, or you can write 4 times 6. So square root of 24 would be the same as square root of 4 times square root of 6, which is 2 square root of 6. So if I substitute that here, minus 4 plus and minus 2 square root of 6 over 2, you see each term are factor of 2. So I can reduce each term, divide each term by 2, that becomes 1, this becomes 2, this becomes 1. So you end up getting x would be equal to minus 2 plus and minus square root of 6 over 1, or just minus 2 plus and minus square root of 6. You have to reduce at the end to its lowest term. Don't forget that. Okay, if everyone follow what we just did, can I see a check mark next to your name? This should be the answer here. Check mark if you all can follow how to solve